Hey guys, so we're here at Kelly's Express Car Wash today.
There's apartments over here also. So we'll go down that way because we're going to get on the freeway.
Okay. I'll make sure I put the numbers in my phone.
Hey guys, another episode of Car Wash Cam, and today we're going to Kelly's Express Car Wash.
Hello?
What are you doing?
We're at the car wash. We're going to the car wash right now.
Oh.
At Kelly's.
Oh.
Isaiah's
Okay.
gonna help me vacuum because I haven't vacuumed in hella long.
When you're done, you can do mine.
I can barely get mine done.
Yeah, well.
Anyway, did you go get the gift?
No, I'm not. I'm leaving the house now. I was going to take you to the dollar store with me, but you're not home.
Yeah, sorry.
Cool, things have really changed here.
I'll talk to you a little bit later.
The gift's on the coffee.
Select your wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. Buy wash. Please.
Wow, look at that, Isaiah. You getting your video?
Yep.
I'm not gonna go on until you guys.
Neutral.
Huh?
Neutral.
Neutral?
Oh, neutral, Mom.
Okay. Sorry. I put it in park.
I know. Sorry.
Here we go.
Didn't have trouble getting on the track though.
That's right.
That was the problem.
Perfect. You're amazing. Oh my goodness, look at all these brushes.
Look
Cool.
at it. But you do have to have some air when you come in here.
Oh, it's colorful.
Wow, look at that.
Green.
Woo! Oh, look at that colorful soap.
Nice. Rainbow soap.
Whoa. Wow. Here we go, guys. Sunny's car wash dryers.
They even hand towel dry with whatever the dryer misses.
There you have it, guys. The perfect car wash. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.